because November the 30th, my oven blew up in my face. I saw blue laser going back and forth.
The oven blew up?
Yeah, I ain't have the oven all the way down. I had it halfway. When I saw that blue laser going back and forth, you gotta know what that blue laser is. It's gonna destroy you. So when I tried to close the door, it blew up the inside glass door. I had glass all over me. I went to the emergency room 2 times to remove some glass.
But you have no scars or anything. You look great.
I mean, it's a little bit right there. That's where the glass went in my finger.
That's memento.
But God is good.
Yeah.
Not only that, February the 12th, 2012, a pole came from the roof into the ceiling, into my bathroom, and almost hit me. Ever since I say I like that show called 1,000 Ways to Die, you remember that show?
1,000 Ways to Die.
That would have made the news. Because the pole came from the roof to the ceiling to my bathroom, almost hit me. And if it would have hit me, it would have damaged my back and my inside.
Absolutely.
And my back was already broken at that time. I was due for surgery in 2013.
What kind of pole was it though? Like a telephone
pole? No, it was just like a warrior pole.
A warrior pole?
From this all the way down to that other
all the way to the other end.
Yeah. The fireman had to come over to remove, and it made the news. It ran for the news for 2 weeks.
Really?
Everybody was looking on their roof for any pole. Can you believe that? I'm forever making the news. But you gotta love life. Life is for the living, not for the dead.
Yeah.
You gotta love
We're
it.
happy.
They got some beautiful people here. See, I've been living with one people for 37 years in Park Slope. I ain't going nowhere. And I'm suing my landlord. My landlord is a career criminal. I investigate her too. She's embarrassing now.
Park Slope.
Yeah, Park Slope.
Where are we now?
This is 80th.
Oh, y'all gonna have some
80th
fun.
Street.
You only have one child?
We do.
Oh, he might be spoiled, right?
He's quite spoiled.
Oh, yeah. You listen to your parents?
Sebastian, he doesn't listen to us.
Oh, you better listen to your parents. It's important that you listen. And keep girls away from him.
Girls are already out there.
Like that, them girls gonna be all over him. I train my boys real good. My boys look like grown men. They're all bigger than me. But they be trying to get me fat by taking me to different restaurants. On my birthday, they took me to Cheese Factory in Queens. You ever been there? It's expensive there. My son bought me anything I want to eat, but I couldn't eat that much because I gotta look good in my elegant gowns when I'm out.
Yeah.
So I don't care what them boys say. They think I should stay home and be a grandma. Yeah, I'm still a grandma, but I still got a life to live.
Of course.
You gotta live it to the fullest.
That's right. 7 grandchildren, about to be 8, maybe.
Yes. Yeah, my son said he wanted more, but he lives in New Jersey.
Okay.
But my boys, the cops, the young cops at the precinct, some of them young adults liked me. But when they saw me walking down the street with 3 of my adult sons, they thought I was a cougar. Because nobody never saw my son. Nobody see my son. I don't walk down the street with my son.
Yeah.
No more, because they think I'm a cougar. I ain't no cougar. That's an older woman who like young boys. But what happened to them young boys is her son. How is she's a cougar? No, that's impossible. I just love life. I be all over. This back is not going to stop me from moving around. Because I still do the same thing. Because I pay over $100,000 to get my back fixed. The first time and the second time. You know? So what kind of work you doing? Basically, you know somebody in there. I be going to my old neighborhood to let everybody know. I climbed the mountains. I was no longer in this spot. You know? My grandkids, I have twins. Let me tell you about a story about my twins. When I first got married, when I was 18, my husband was 19. I didn't want to have no kid right away. So I asked God, let me travel a little bit, get to know the world. Sure. I traveled. When I was ready to settle down, I read the book about, birth. So I timed it just right. Because my first child was born on his father's birthday.
No
but
kidding.
I ain't asked God for a boy. I asked God for twins, a boy and a girl.
Okay.
You know what God did? God gave my son the twins 40 years later.
You got transferred. Say your name and how to spell it so I can look you up. Cynthia Burrows, right?
My name is Cynthia Burrows, Cynthia Burrows, Burrows. Yes, I'm 64. I'm proud of it.
Nice.
Oh my God, basically, you know somebody in there. I be going to my old neighborhood to let everybody know. I climbed the mountains. I was no longer in this spot. You know? My grandkids, I have twins. Let me tell you about a story about my twins. When I first got married, when I was 18, my My husband was 19. I didn't want to have no kid right away. So I asked God, let me travel a little bit, get to know the world.
Sure.
I traveled. When I was ready to settle down, I read the book about, birth. So I timed it just right because my first child was born on his father's birthday.
No
but
kidding.
I ain't asked God for a boy. I asked God for twins, a boy and a girl.
Okay.
You know what God did? God gave my son the twins 40 years later.
You got
What
transferred. Say your name and how to spell it so I can look you up.
My
Cynthia
name-
Burrows, right?
My name is Cynthia Burrows, Cynthia Burrows, Burrows. Yes, I'm 64. I'm proud of it.
Nice.
Oh my God, you